This is totally a mom hack.
Yeah, she was.
You got your snack. Glitter heart. I think Peanut loved the attention.
Yeah, she did.
You are such a good model.
Leslie's turn. You better not.
Good morning. Hi, yeah. Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today's video is a weekend day in the life. I'm going to be taking you along with me for our day. We had a bunch of errands in the morning. The babies got asked to be in a fashion show later on in the afternoon. So cute, so make sure you keep watching. And then Landon took over the vlog for a little bit and he helped me make dinner. But do a fast check, make sure that you're subscribed and that your bell is clicked so you get notified every time I post a new video. We have so much exciting stuff coming up and I want you in on all of the fun. But alright, let's finish up breakfast and we can get started on that to-do list. So we're going to the car wash first, then the grocery store, and then I need to swing by the post office. The water's coming out. The car wash is fun. We've got to call.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Market District Curbside. How can I help you?
Hi, we're here to pick up our order.
Alrighty, we'll bring it right out for you.
All right, great, thank you. This is totally a mom hack. If your grocery store allows you to do curbside pickup, do it. It saves me like 2 hours on the weekends of having to go to the grocery store. And I put everything in online last night after the kids went to sleep when Adam and I were in bed. And God bless you, sweetie. And it's already ready to pick up in the morning. It's like the most amazing time save ever. I totally realized I'm wearing half shoes. Jammed in there, holy cow. Presley, you got a dress. Look. Oh, that is so cute. This is from a little shop called Lads and Ladybugs. I love the color of this. Oh my God, I cannot wait for her to wear it. Thank you so much for sending this to us. The kids are chatting back there in their own little language. But I just want to say thank you because whenever I get a note like this, words of affirmation are my love language. It is so meaningful to me. And I just want to say thank you if you've ever sent anything. Not that you need to send me anything, please, you don't have to, but the fact that if you have and you've taken that time out of your day and your busy life and everything else you have going on to think of me, I'm just so appreciative because you don't have to do that. It is just really cool connecting with you guys and it matters so much to me. And I just have to say thank you because it is really, really sweet and kind and thoughtful. You guys are the best.
Mommy's got to put away the groceries.
I'll get you a banana. That make you happy? You want banana? Here. You want some banana? We'll do the groceries. Banana? Favorite, huh? Want it? Yummy. Landon's going to get his hair cut with Adam, and these were the 2 pictures I sent him for like how I want her to do it. I want like the sides to be really short, but have like the top of his hair stay long. I like love when it's really short on the sides like that and still long on the top. So hopefully he comes back with it looking like that. I'm just now having breakfast / lunch. It's almost noon. So some little girl is still sound asleep. So I was actually able to get ready and shower and do my hair. But I got a bunch of stuff this week. I haven't tried any of it on yet, so try on haul coming soon. We have a big family vacation coming up, and I have 2 girls' weekends, a bachelorette party, and another fun girls' weekend in Vegas. So a bunch of stuff to try on. But make sure you're subscribed and following along on Insta, because I think I'm gonna do a video to try all of these things on, but I might be asking you your opinion if there's things I should keep or return on Instagram. And that's where you're gonna get to see all of the fun while we are on vacation before any of the vlogs come out. So make sure you're following me on Instagram too. What song? You gonna sing it?
Come and move that in my direction. So thankful for that, such a blessing, yeah. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of way. Make me wanna savor every moment. Slowly, slowly. Pick a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
You got your snack, so you're happy?
Hi, Mommy.
Target.
I can miss you, Mommy.
Yeah, you do. Target is the only place I've been able to find that carries this peanut butter. This is my favorite peanut butter because it has the omega-3s because I don't eat fish. So that's the good stuff, huh? You like fish? That's good. Those serving spoons. How cute. Which card did you pick? Look, Landon, this one's for you. It says, "Hey, handsome." Good, thanks for putting it back. So I love really cute gift wrap and cards. How adorable is that bag? And then they had this really cute different like engagement and shower and wedding cards. Like a bunch of people who just got engaged or getting married. And this is my favorite. How cute is that bag? It looks like Kate Spade, doesn't it? And they had like really pretty blush, like heart glitter, heart foil tissue paper. But I thought those were so cute. If you want a what? The escalator? Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. What? Those are so cute. Oh my God, Prezi, I can't wait to put you in those. What are you looking at? Oh my gosh, is that a kitty? Go say hi. You can go say hi. Go say, oh! Go say hi, kitty. Does Presley see Presley say hi to the kitty? It's called Hello Kitty, Landon. So if you've watched my clothing hauls, you know I am a regular at Dillard's, and a subscriber who works there and saw us reached out and asked if Landon and Presley would want to model in their spring kids fashion show that they have every single year. And I thought these outfits were so stinking adorable that they got to walk in the show in.
Landon loves Lightning McQueen and his sister. That's so sweet.
Okay, go on.
Landon. You're supposed to walk slow, dude, but you did a good job.
Good job, Landon. Good job, Peanut.
Oh,
I think Peanut loved the attention.
yeah, she did.
And the clapping.
Hey, dude, you did.
Nice job.
You did so good, buddy.
You are such a good model. I love you. I'm so proud of my baby.
Oh.
You guys did so good. Presley, there's new summer sun. Getting his first baseball glove. How cute is that jacket? And I'm obsessing over these leggings. And look, they have like the camera pocket. I have to get these. I did way too much damage in that mall. Get ready, there's going to be some serious clothing hauls coming, guys. And you're gonna have to be telling me what I need to keep or not keep, because I couldn't try anything on because I had the kids. Yay, Presley's getting her new car seat because she's a big girl. Oh, hey, daddy's girl. Yeah, you are such a daddy's girl. Wow.
Big girl.
Still got a bunch to do. What are you eating? Love sharing her dinner. Give them to mommy. Give them to mommy. Say, ah.
She just dropped it. She didn't before.
Give them to you. Ah. I get more? Look at that.
Presley's turn.
Your turn. Now you get some. Ready? Get it. Oh, Presley. Presley. You put it in your mouth. In your mouth. Even though you make a sourpuss face. Cook. Hey, are you dancing while we cook? Shaking your booty.
Hi, I'm in bed. Just the food at all.
Sophie, you look good? Am I cutting? Am I on the camera?
Yeah,
I am.
yeah.
Turn it down so you can see the potatoes. Okay, we're cutting the potatoes.
Letting potatoes.
We're making mashed sweet potatoes and what else? young, there are a lot of great red wines out there, but this one is truly my favorite. Does it look good?
You just said before mom started filming that mom was young.
Who's trying to blow out my candles? Hey!
Better not.
I wonder where Landon is. Where's the Landon be?
I don't know, but we need to finish installing the car seat.
Oh yeah, we should do the car seat properly. Should I open it?
Yeah,
Wait, did the boxes move?
there might be a
Anna, what's in there?
there might be a monster in there.
There's a monster? What? What's in there? What's in there, box? You stinker. You scared me. Should I get in there? Okay. Okay, are we gonna fit? Okay, I think we gotta get up a little. Mommy's breaking the box.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh, you scared me. You scared me.
I get out? I'm too big for it? Well, thanks. Good night, I love you. See you in the morning. I want to know if there's some secret kid code that teaches them to ask for a glass of water right before you're about to leave the room, because Landon does it every single time. Where do they learn this? I'm gonna finish editing these videos. I still gotta pack for my business trip because I leave tomorrow night after the wedding shower that I have. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you have that subscribe button clicked. We have a ton of fun, exciting things going on with our family this spring and into summer. And if there's any sort of videos you really want to see, let me know that in the comments below. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.